Hey everyone, check out the Fat Brain Toys original Air Toobz, a fun air-powered STEM building toy for kids aged 3 and up. This toy uses a kid-safe fan to send foam balls flying through modular tubes, making airflow experiments exciting and interactive. Kids can arrange the tubes in endless ways to explore airflow and physics, boosting creativity and problem-solving skills. Air Toobz also promotes STEM learning by encouraging spatial reasoning and hands-on experimentation during playtime. With a rechargeable battery, it offers up to 3 hours of continuous fun and recharges quickly in just 2 hours. Safety features include a grate over the fan, automatic shut-off after 15 minutes, and durable components designed for family play. Plus, it comes with 20 large foam balls, perfect for hours of educational entertainment. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.